Hey guys, we're here with the hotel team. So we have a Twilio issue currently. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this link for you guys for this page so that you can test it out with a fresh page. But I'm just gonna go over this here real quick. So this is the user's account. Let me show you the funnel real quick. All right, so we are in the, oh, great. I don't know why this popped up. They've been in it all day. Okay, so obviously, this is ridiculous. All right, so we'll go back to this. I've been in their funnel for a while. I don't know why that popped up again. All right, so here we are. I'm going to go ahead and try to test this. Mhm. For ah, give me one sec here. And I will leave you guys the link to their funnel, and I will let them know to address their terms of service so we can access their account. Let me see here. Now I'll show you that I'm going through the process and doing this, but obviously I can't send you a screenshot of something I'm not receiving. So ultimately, we are not. I've tested their funnel multiple times and tested this page here. I've had my team lead test this. So none of us are getting the SMS text sent to our phones. Okay, so that's ultimately the issue. Um, all the settings and everything have been verified in the user's account in Twilio and ClickFunnels in their funnel. We've had adjustments for their phone number format, deleting and reintegrating everything that we needed to do to try to correct the issue, and none of it's working. So, all right, guys, thanks. Hey guys, so I have no idea where this video stopped because screencast is awesome. All right, so I went through, I tested this. Um, so the one thing I cannot show you is that none of us are getting an SMS text positive result. So I had my team lead test it. He tested this page. I've tested the users. Like I said before, I've tested the users funnel, and I will leave that link to their funnel so that you can also check that out. And still with negative results, and we've had them pretty much do everything that we could think of to get it to work. So, all right, and that includes reformatting their phone number, uh, deleting, re-adding the integration, etc. All right, so all right, guys, hope you can figure this out. So, thanks.